Dun 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 dun. We got a Power Hobby 4S 6000 mAh 120C. And what's that? We got some EXP stickers. Dun 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 dun. EXP chassis braces. We got our 4S LiPo battery hooked up. I also changed out the diff fluids, guys. So we have 60K in the front, 100K in the center, and 30K in the rear. The Kraton stock comes with 10K front and rear and 100K in the center. So it's a little bit of a change up. We're going to see how it goes. Let's go have some fun and rip her. Sounds a little crappy, but we're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna send her